Oh my God. I am so excited because it finally showed up today. I have not opened the box yet, but because it was late, I should have got it the first week of October. They sent me some extra thank you gifts. One of them is this little Jack mini warmer. I think that's the kind that you plug in. But this beauty is what I've been waiting on. And some of the other things that they sent me as little thank you is extra warming melts. This one's Halloweentown, and it smells like, what does it say? It doesn't say. Let's see. Hold on. Let me put it down. Oh, it smells, I don't know, it's a warm scent, but I can't actually place it, but I really like it. Doesn't really say what it smells like, but it smells good. And then Jack's Obsession. Oh, that smells almost like a warm, I don't know, kind of like a really tart apple woodsy smell. Oh, I'm loving that. Okay, but this is just pomegranate. Let's see this beauty. My God, I'm so excited. I don't want to break it now. I just had them done. So excited. Oh, look at that. Evil is the new black. Dark and devious. They know me so well. Ah! Okay. Oh my God. Here is the little warming dish with the poison apple in it. Oh, okay. Oh my God. Oh, it's got a little green light bulb. I'm such a dork. Oh, this is the piece that goes on the inside to throw the green. Oh my God. It's Mally Dragon. Shut up. And the magic mirror. And a tiny little Ariel and Flounder in a bubble. Oh my God. All right. Let's take this out of here. Oh my God. First of all, it is so big and heavy. I thought it was going to be small, but it's not. Look. Hello, Queen. Yes. Devil. Ah! Evil Queen. Ursula. Oh my God. I am loving this. I am so excited. All right. So I'm going to go get it set up here in my office somewhere. I don't know where, but I'm going to make room. I'm so excited. Stay tuned. I have her set up right here at my desk at my right hand. I'm so excited. So there's my keyboard. There's my warmer. And I was so excited. I didn't even notice the other gift that was in there, but they sent me a 3-pack of the warming bars for this. And as you can see, Evil Queen, Ursula, and Maleficent. So I'm going to save those. I put one of the Jack ones in there right now, but it is just that green. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. It's the little things. So there you go. I love it. Okay, I have work to do. I love you guys. Bye.